tenant committees who have an issue vis-a-vis latest amendments that have been brought in regarding paddy, these Kazan lands, wherein they have, I think earlier they used to pay just 1% towards the registration fees. And now the government has sought that they should pay 20% of the auction amount for which they get for pisciculture and those type of activities. Person who takes the pond on auction, he keeps paying the committee in installments. Here the government has demanded that the 20% revenue be deposited lump sum right at the beginning. So this is another issue there. So they want that installment facility to be reinstated. Another issue we had today was regarding regularization of houses, partition and mutation of land that had been given on rehabilitation basis by PWD's National Highway Division 14, I think. A meeting with the Margao Municipal Council officers, I have asked the police to conduct a detailed and aggressive drive for verification of tenants in my constituency. I have also told them that I believe the menace of drugs is becoming into a major issue, so they should crack down on that also. I've been assured that they will act from today itself.